Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fortuna Foothills, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a high-quality moving company in Fortuna Foothills, Arizona. Our experienced crews assist residential and commercial customers with local and long-distance moves. Planning a long-distance move to or from Fortuna Foothills, Arizona can be stressful. Most people don't move frequently, and as a result, may not know what to look for in a moving company. 3 Movers offers these tips from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration to help you evaluate vendors and find the right one for your project. 1. Only consider moving companies that are registered with FMCSA. That's the agency that regulates interstate movers, and you can check their website to verify if a mover you are considering is registered. The site also has information about registered companies' safety records and customer complaints. 2. Don't accept a verbal rate quote from a moving company. Always get a written estimate based on a visual inspection of your household goods. This step is required by federal regulations and a best practice for all movers. 3. Ask potential moving company partners about their dispute resolution programs. They are required to have one and to share information about it with you. If a mover hesitates, that's a bad sign. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fortuna Foothills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.